Hello. Hello guys, my name is Peter4Champ, and in this episode, I prank StoneKid. So, it's a bit like the same Scottish Minecraft did. I made a parkour mech that was almost impossible to get to the first one. Well, it is possible, but almost impossible. You know what I mean. But hope you guys enjoyed. He really rages about, well, not too much, but he rages when he finds out. So hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed. And see you guys when I start the video. We're back! And StoneKid still can't make it.
I made it.
You made it? Cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Just wait a second. I'm going to be back in a minute.
Okay.
So what were you talking about?
Oh, I was just waiting for you over here. Because you're so slow.
Shut up. So how I'm going to make this jump?
Just jump. You can make it. I made it.
Wee!
Just trust yourself.
I
oh,
fell.
you're lagging.
I fell.
Oh, okay.
Again?
Again. You're just bad at it.
Ow! Hit myself in the face with my shoe. And my shoe is my hand. Yes, you heard me correctly.
Your shoe is your hand.
Yes. That's why I'm so bad at this game.
My god. Well,
just go on. No.
okay, I'm just gonna finish this. I'm just gonna finish this now. Oh no. I fell. No. No. No.
I would never do such thing.
No. No. That's not good. Stop laughing. Stop. You. Okay, listen. I can win.
No, I can't.
I can win.
I'm
gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. Look, I'll do it now. I'll prove it. I'll prove
Where
it.
are you? I can't see you.
I'm up. I'm climbing up the ladders.
Oh. Hello.
Oh, what? Ah. Hello. Okay. Okay, look. I'm gonna oh. I think the server crashed.
No, it didn't.
Oh, I can't. You're not moving.
I'm moving.
I'm not. Am I moving?
No, you're not.
Okay, let's try this again. Oh, timed out. We'll be back. You just log in, StoneKid. The server timed me out.
Okay, now put cheats back on.
No, I don't want to put cheats back on.
We have to spawn in bed, so I will climb up the
No.
ladder like a million times.
Me too, but I'm not a cheater.
Fine. I'm joining the server again.
Timed out.
Again?
I'm gonna reload the server again. Gonna reload. Okay, I'm gonna stop the server. I'm gonna stop the server for a second. Okay, it's not working at all now. It won't work.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. Okay,
No. I fell again.
okay. I made it. I'm jumping. Oh my god.
No, wait for me. I wanna come.
Oh my god. Oh. You there yet?
No.
Jump. You made it. Yeah, you can do
Okay.
it. You can do it. You know, now I think it's a good time to tell you that I'm pranking you.
What?
It's all set up.
Wait, you destroy some of the blocks?
Yep.
You. Then how can you do it?
Oh, hello. I'm right here.
Can you? You.
Hello.
No! No!
Yay, my pranks.
God damn it!
Bye. What's up, Doc?
You whore.
Yeah. So, did I get you? Huh?
No, I knew it.
Yeah, right. Okay, admit it, I got you.
No, you didn't.
I got you.
No, you didn't.
I got you.
No, you didn't.
Okay, but that is the first episode of Mind Pranks.
You bitch.
Now we will do the real jump map. See you next time, guys. Say goodbye, Sonkit. Do you have anything to say
You bitch.
from my first victim of Mind Pranks?
You bitch.
Okay, goodbye. Anyway, guys, hope you liked this prank that I did on Sonkid. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and become a part of the champs. No, I'm not a champ. I just call myself one because I'm lonely. Well, anyway, guys, see you later, and have a nice day.